Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest challenges of studio living, customization. Whether you're renting or owning, I've got the best tips, tricks, and hacks to help you transform your open layout space into a stylish, functional dream home. From defining zones to maximizing storage and adding personality, I'll show you exactly how to make the most of every inch. So, if you're ready to level up your studio setup, let's get started. How to customize an open layout studio space. An open layout studio offers flexibility and endless possibilities for creating a personalized living environment. Whether you own or lease the space, thoughtful customization can make it functional, stylish, and uniquely yours. Here's how to maximize your studio's potential with smart design choices. 1. Define functional zones without walls to guide you. It's essential to create distinct areas for sleeping, working, dining, and lounging. Rugs and flooring. Use different area rugs or floor coverings to visually separate zones. Furniture arrangement. Place furniture strategically to create natural divisions. For example, a sofa can define the living area, while a bookshelf can double as a partition between work and sleep spaces. Lighting. Utilize different lighting sources, task lights for workspaces, ambient lighting for relaxation, and pendant lights over the dining area to set the mood for each section. 2. Maximize storage without clutter. Storage solutions are key to keeping your studio organized without overwhelming the space. Vertical storage. Install shelves or floating cabinets to take advantage of wall space. Multifunctional furniture. Opt for items like ottomans with storage inside, foldable desks, or beds with drawers underneath. Hidden storage. Use baskets, decorative boxes, or stylish storage cubes to maintain a clean aesthetic while keeping essentials tucked away. 3. Play with partitioning without closing off space. A studio's openness can be balanced with creative partitioning techniques. Room dividers, folding screens, curtains, or glass partitions add privacy without making the space feel enclosed. Bookshelves and open shelving. These can act as room dividers while still maintaining openness and accessibility. Decorative panels. Use slatted wood or frosted glass panels to subtly define areas while keeping light flowing through the space. 4. Personalize with decor and texture. Since every inch of an open studio is visible, cohesive decor is crucial. Color psychology. Choose colors that align with your lifestyle, soft neutrals for tranquility, bold hues for energy, or earth tones for warmth. Texture and layers. Incorporate different textures, plush fabrics, wooden elements, or metallic finishes to add depth and personality. Artwork and greenery. Wall art, indoor plants, or statement pieces bring life and character to a space, making it uniquely yours. 5. Stay flexible with adaptable furniture. Studio spaces benefit from furniture that can be rearranged to meet changing needs. Murphy beds and convertible sofas. These allow you to use your space efficiently while maintaining comfort. Expandable dining tables. When guests arrive, a compact table that extends can be a game changer. Foldable or stackable pieces. Having chairs and tables that can be easily stored ensures the space remains uncluttered. There you have it. Customizing an open layout studio is all about maximizing space, defining areas with thoughtful design, and injecting personality through decor. By balancing functionality with aesthetics, you can create a stylish and comfortable home that reflects your unique taste. Whether you own it or lease it, what kind of design style are you drawn to? Modern and minimalist, or something cozier? And that's a wrap. I hope these ideas help you bring your studio space to life. Whether you're going for cozy, modern, or something totally unique, customization is all about making your home work for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge when decorating a studio? Let's chat. See you in the next one.
I wanna follow where she goes. I think about her and she knows it. I wanna let her take control, but every time that she gets close,